Get out my face! Oh.
That's somebody else.
All right, everybody, can you mute yourself? Who's on that? Lopez, Jeffers, Alexander.
Yeah, I'm bringing him. I'm sorry.
What's your
I'm
name?
so sorry.
What's the defendant's name? Good morning to you.
Good morning.
The defendant, sir.
Everything in here, dude.
Say that again, ma'am.
It's Jefferly Alexander Lopez. He needs a Spanish-speaking interpreter.
Yeah, thank you. All right.
Oh, shit. Okay. There he is.
Okay.
All right. Set.
Mr. Overstreet, do you need to speak with the city?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Bowman, good morning to you. Good to have you back.
How to relation with that? Right here.
Go to floor, Mr. Bowman. I mean, Mr. Overstreet.
Yes, my client is Mr. Kyle Lawrence. Good morning.
Well, we'll put you in 4.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's get going.
Hello.
All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is get you out as fast.
Good morning, sir.
I'm going to try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Ms. Villarule, can you, are we ready, Ms. Ms. Villarule, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Evelyn Villarule, certified court interpreter number C3822. Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jefferly Alexander Lopez, case number SP 163-4785, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos en sesión el caso de Jefferly Alexander López. Número de caso SP163-4785, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Okay. Defendant Alexander Lopez.
On behalf of Mr. Lopez.
Ella me ayuda a descifrar.
Habla el abogado Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, diga su nombre.
Jefferly Alexander Labrado López.
Jefferly Alexander Lopez.
Sí, señor.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Aquí, señor, pusieron 5 cargos.
Here's today's time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, get Mr. Lopez an updated offer and let him know if he doesn't like the offer, he has an absolute right to a trial.
Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener lo que llamamos la consulta previa al juicio. Señor abogado Berry, usted consígale una oferta de resolución actualizada y déjele saber que él tiene un derecho de ir a juicio.
Join the room, please.
Reúnase al cuarto donde dice join o reunirse.
Alan Lazenick, you have a trial. So we're gonna wait to give the officers a half-hour grace period to come in. If they don't show up by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If they show up, we'll get you in a breakout room with the lawyer.
Okay.
Get you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Morning to you.
Morning to you, Judge.
Ms. Green, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
That, not Marcel Green, good morning to you, Mr. Green. I'm looking for a, Trey Mika Green. Trey Mika Green there? She's not there anymore?
Did you say Green or Graham?
Tremika Green. All right, I'm gonna need everybody quiet their device, mute your device, please. Mr. Bowman, go to 4, please.
Yeah, I don't think he's at his computer.
All right. So Tremika Green has not showed, or it fell off some kind of way. That gets me down to Kelly Gray.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Your matter is set for trial. We'll give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. Those officers don't show, then we will get you out of here.
Your Honor, is her attorney Basil Johnson?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll wait on Mr. Johnson as well.
Is that 9 o'clock?
It's at 9 o'clock. That's the time the officers are summoned to be here. I'll give them a half-hour grace period till 9:30. And once if they don't show by 9:30, we get you out of here. If they do show, we'll get you in the breakout room with Mr. Johnson. He'll be able to try to work something out, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Griffin James. This is the city of Detroit versus Bernard Deshaun Griffin James. Case number U69806924. State your name for the record, Mr. Griffin James. Bernard Griffin James. He's on the screen looking at me. Ask you to unmute yourself, sir.
I'm here.
Bernard Griffin James.
Yes, I'm here.
Morning to you. Do you have, I see you paid, do you have proof of the misdemeanor penalty class and testing?
When I called the number for the class, the guy was supposed to call me back. He did call me back, but he called me after the class, so he told me that I have to go to the class on the 28th of this month.
All right, I'm gonna give you, I'll come on back on December the 13th, all right? I mean, January the 13th, 2020. Okay. For another review. Make sure you get the testing done as well.
I did get the testing done. Remember, I emailed it to you.
You did? Okay. So come back on the 13th of January. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Lester. Diana Lester. Is she still here?
She is. It's showing muted.
Showing muted.
She's a telephone caller.
All right, press *6, Miss Lester, to unmute yourself, please. *6. *6 to unmute yourself, Ms. Lester.
Okay, there it go. Hello. Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit.
Good morning.
Lester, case number SP 163-5152, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 163-51811. Karen, for the record, please.
Good morning, Your
I'm
Honor.
sorry.
Good morning to staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Ms. Lester. Ms. Lester, please state your name for the record.
Deanna Lester.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, give Ms. Lester an updated offer, see if she has the proper documentation. And if she does, get her an offer on the seatbelt ticket. Ms. Lester, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Let me put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
You done here, Ms. Harris. As far as the reviews are concerned, let's go with Javar Goods. Mr. Goods, are you there? Javar Goods. Where's Javar Goods?
This is Javar Goods. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to find the camera.
This is the city of Detroit versus Javar Goods. Case numbers SP 1365339, counts 1, counts 2. U9190911 19442687. Appear, state your name for the record, Mr. Goods.
Javar Goods.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for you. You are in a payment plan, sir. So we're gonna close you're done with us. You just need to keep up with the payment plan, all right?
Okay, they also sent me something too, another court date saying I'm supposed to be back in front of you for February 7th, but that's one of the ones that I already paid.
Take your hat off, sir, please. Let's see. That's the show cause. Let's take that off of there. Injured or not guilty on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. That was SP 136-25642. That you've paid.
Yes.
So I'm going to dismiss that. All right.
Okay.
That'll take and I'm right in. If there's nothing further, Mr. Goods, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Are you ready for Mr. Lopez, or do you need to go back in the breakout room, Mr. Berry?
We're ready, Your Honor.
¿Está usted listo, señor Berry, para pasar al caso del señor López? Sí, estamos listos, su señoría.
Let's go back on the record, Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor López. Señor López, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quisiera hacer su acusado?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display as to the license charge and dismissal of the no insurance charge.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta que le ha propuesto la fiscalía y quiere presentar una declaración acerca del cargo modificado de que faltó demostrar una licencia en ese momento, reconociendo que el cargo de no tener seguro de vehículo va a quedar desestimado en cambio.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer?
Yes. Sí.
Yes, yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Sí, señor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en su caso pudiera ser un máximo de 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Yes.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y ha comprendido usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights and breakout room, did he not?
El señor Berry revisó sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Want to look at those rights?
¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ya estoy claro.
No, now I'm clear about that.
You do understand those rights, sir?
Así que usted comprendió sus derechos, señor?
Sí, señoría, entendí claramente.
Yes, Your Honor, I understood completely.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos?
No, no, gracias, no.
No, no, thank
Bien.
you, no.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí, yes, ya, comprendí.
Yes, yes, I understood that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? You don't have to.
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No, creo que no.
No, I don't believe so.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October the 23rd, 2024, around 6:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Army Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 23 de octubre del 2024 a las 6:58 de la noche en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Livernois y Army. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
¿Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia de conducir vigente?
Yes. Sí.
Yes, yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señor?
Yo enseñé la licencia mía traducida de mi país.
I showed him my own license that was translated. It's the license from my own country.
It's not an international license, is it?
Pero no es una licencia internacional, ¿verdad?
Realmente, no. Creo que no, pero ya me la hicieron traducida acá las personas que ya en mi caso y pensé que podía manejar con ella.
Really, I don't think so, but it was translated for me for the person that is managing my case, and I was under the impression that I could drive with it.
Mr. Berry, have you seen that?
Señor
Yes,
Berry,
Your
¿ya lo ha visto?
¿Perdón?
Excuse me?
Ok.
And if
Issued out
you
of
don't,
Venezuela in Spanish.
I'm sorry, I did not hear Mr. Berry's response, Your Honor.
Issued out of Venezuela in Spanish.
Sí, es una licencia que fue emitida de Venezuela y está en español.
En español y en inglés traducida.
It's in Spanish, but also in English.
do you want to get another look at that, Mr. Berry?
Señor
No.
Berry, ¿le quiere dar otro vistazo a esa licencia? No.
No, it's not translated by the Venezuelan government.
No, porque no es el gobierno de Venezuela que hizo la traducción.
No, fue acá en Estados Unidos que me hicieron la traducción.
No, the translation was done here in the United States.
La traducción me la hizo la abogada que lleva el caso mío de asilo, una
And
trabajadora.
the attorney who is managing
abogada.
my asylum case, she is the one who did the translation.
Well, I don't know what else to say. I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen it. Let's see what you have.
Bueno, no sé qué más decir. Permíteme ver lo que es que usted tiene.
The license.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that before. I don't know if that's, I've never seen anything like that before.
Yo nunca he visto algo semejante a eso anteriormente. No, nunca he visto algo, no sé, nunca he visto algo semejante a esto.
Yeah, we need a valid international license.
Y lo que necesitamos tener es una licencia internacional que esté vigente.
Esta es la traducción en inglés que me entregaron acá.
Well, this is the translation in English that I was handed.
Do you want to get your attorney that's helped you with that documentation in here before you take this plea? I can give you some time.
Antes de que usted acepte este acuerdo de culpabilidad, quisiera usted consultar con su abogado y que venga aquí. Yo le puedo dar tiempo para que eso pueda suceder.
Because this will be a misdemeanor on your record, and it could affect your, it could potentially impact your immigration status.
Porque sépase que este cargo a cual usted se va a declarar culpable es un delito menor y puede tener un impacto posiblemente en su estatus inmigratorio.
Okay.
You want me to give you an opportunity to confer with your attorney?
¿Quiere usted que yo le dé la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado?
No, quiero aceptar los cargos ya.
No, I just want to accept the charges already.
All right, I'll find him guilty of amended failure to display. The $240 will be the fine, and I'll dismiss the other matter.
Bien, entonces acepto la declaración de culpabilidad como modificado de que usted faltó demostrar una licencia. La multa sería $240 y el otro cargo contra usted quedaría desestimado.
Ok, está bien. Me aseguraré de arreglar lo de la licencia.
That's fine. Repita, señor. Please repeat, sir. Señor.
Está bien, me aseguraré de arreglar lo de la licencia traducida, que estoy un poco confundido con eso.
And I'll be sure to get a translation of the license that is not confusing.
Okay, well, $240, when can you pay it, sir?
Así que es $240 y para cuándo pudiera usted pagarlo, señor?
¿Qué tiempo tendría para hacerlo?
How much time would I have to do that?
Well, how much time do you need?
Bueno, ¿cuánto tiempo necesita usted?
Pues un tiempo consciente para poder conseguir el dinero, ya que estoy en un proceso ahorita de permisos de trabajo y eso, y pues no lo he podido conseguir, pues no puedo.
Well, the time that could be allowed for me, recognizing that right now I'm in an asylum process with immigration and I'm waiting for my work permit to be given to me.
Estoy viviendo en un refugio de el Friend House.
I'm living at a shelter for refugees.
Right. I'll give you 2 months.
Le voy a permitir usted 2 meses.
Okay.
Okay.
About February 13th, 2025. And then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you to upload that, did that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person.
The 13th of what month, Your Honor? February?
February, yes.
Así que yo le voy a permitir usted hasta el 13 de febrero para pagar del 2025, para pagar su multa. Sépase que la puede pagar en cualquier kiosco que se encuentren en la ciudad de Detroit. Usted también puede poner el app del kiosco en su teléfono o sencillamente puede venir en persona a la corte para dar su pago.
Okay.
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 All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le quiero desear a usted unos días feriados seguros y felices y buena suerte a usted.
Okay, igualmente.
Okay, same to you.
All right, you're free to leave.
Muchísimas gracias.
Ya usted se puede ir. De nada, ya usted se puede ir.
Gracias.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, on the iPhone, morning to you, what is your name, please? The iPhone with the white jacket on, what is your name?
La persona que tiene una chaqueta blanca y ha comparecido y dice iPhone. ¿Cuál es el nombre suyo, por favor?
Evelyn Daniela López Leal.
Evelyn Daniela López
Leal.
Leal.
Evelyn Danielle Lopez. All right, good morning to you. Your matter doesn't start. Your officer's supposed to be here at 9 o'clock. I'll give them a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If they don't appear, we'll get you out of here. If they do appear, then we'll get you in a breakout room to speak with a lawyer.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Bennett here.
Bien, señora, su caso no es hasta que el policía le hemos dado hasta las 9 de la mañana para comparezca hasta aquí. Puede llegar entre las 9 y 9 y media. Si no ha llegado entre 9 y 9 y media, entonces vamos a ver qué sucede con el caso. Si llega antes, la vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogado defensor nombrado por la corte.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Evelyn Lopez, case number SP 161-48521. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Evelyn Daniela López, número de caso SP 161-48521. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lopez.
Soy Elwood S. Berry, representando a la acusada. Usted diga su nombre completo, señora López.
Evelyn Daniela López Leal.
Evelyn Daniela López Leal.
All right. Good morning, Officer Bennett. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Y buenos días, usted, oficial Bennett. ¿Puede
Morning,
usted
Your Honor.
para que conste en el acta?
Officer Bennett.
Good morning, Your
Uh, You have to wait till the Madam Interpreter translates, okay?
Oh, okay.
Esperar hasta que se ha hecho la traducción por la señora intérprete.
State your name for the record, Officer Bennett.
El policía Bennett, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Good morning, Officer Malika Bennett.
Buenos días, soy la oficial de policía Malika Bennett.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Berry, get your client an updated offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room.
Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener el juicio. Señor Berry, usted consiga una oferta de resolución actualizada cuando pase usted a la sala privada de consulta.
Ms. Lopez, go into the breakout room and speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an offer. If you don't like that offer, we'll hold a trial.
Señora López, pase a una sala privada para hablar con el abogado suyo, el señor Berry. Si no le gusta la oferta que
Not to my knowledge.
usted tiene todo derecho a ir a juicio.
Okay.
All right, join the room, please.
Acepte la invitación para pasar a la sala privada de consulta, por favor.
I'm going to get some of these reviews out of here. Is Carlin Green here? Carlin Green, I saw.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. Your Honor.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Carlin Levon Green, case number SP 113007442. Appearance, state your name for the record, please.
Carlin Levon Green.
Today is the date and time set for a review. All right, you paid, but you didn't get into a payment plan. So. All right, so you're just gonna have to pay this stuff off, sir. I'm not gonna continue to go back and forth. I'll let the court deal with it, all right?
Your Honor, this is a sad day in Detroit for me. I have not been to work. It's a sad day in Detroit for me. I have not been to work since the last time I've seen you. I have not been to work none this month. I've been trying to get to work with my company. They just been a little slow. And then on top of all that, me and my youngest child had got into it, and then I think I might have an open case on that. So, just this month and tomorrow my birthday, I just been having a terrible month, Your Honor. I just wish that I can have an extension on this, and may God, I hope I just get through all this stuff that I'm going through, Your Honor. So I need some grace once again. I don't know why I always need your grace. I don't know why I always need everybody's help and grace, but I just need help. It's just bad.
Well, what I can do is I'm gonna pray for you, sir, on that. I hope things get better for you. This is a review on a no op, so it's not like we're taking any other action on here. Like this is supposed to be dismissed or something upon payment. So basically, you can just take you can set up a payment plan or something like that with the court, and then deal with it. At some point, it will probably go into collection status, and they'll send you notification on that. But as it stands right now, it's no real other action. Typically, I don't even know why it was set for a review, because typically on those cases where we don't have anything to do once it's paid, then we just give a pay by date. So I'll leave that open. So if I put a pay by date in there and it's not paid, it's gonna go back into warrant status. So I'll just leave it open, and you can take care of it when things get better for you. All right.
Yeah, and can I just say one more thing, Your Honor? I've been paying on all these tickets, all for a long time. When I was paying and going to jail, all this stuff should have been ran concurrent. I don't know why they keep individualizing all these tickets on me and just making it hard. But I'll do whatever it is I got to do, you know. So
When did you go to jail?
I went to jail in 2017, 2000 and what? I think right after the pandemic, I went one more time, and then after that, I was done.
And when I mean, I gotta get, if I could give you some credit for jail time, but I gotta get specific dates and whether this was,
like I said, yeah, I can't remember no specific dates. I mean, I was just, you know, I was, like I said, it was sporadic. You know, I was just trying to take care of stuff, and I think I went one more time because, you know, I'm not trying to go back and forth to that place, man. So I was taking care of all my business before the pandemic, but I think I went one more time after the pandemic, and then I was just really like making payments and stuff like that. So I didn't really never go back until I think one time, and I just went recently.
all right, well, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it open, and you can take care of it whenever you things get better. I'm sure they will get better for you, sir. I can't tell you when, but you just have to suffer through these times, and it should get better for you.
All right.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season. All right.
You as well.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Paul Jeff Lee. Case numbers SP 1169103, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1296432. State your name for the record, Mr. Lee. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. Yours was set to be dismissed if you paid, and I don't see that you paid. So when can you pay?
To be honest, I've been actually looking for a job since the last time I talked to you too. But because of my background, like I was saying last time, ain't no job really trying to hire me right now.
Yeah, I get that the background stuff is it's affected people's lives, but you gotta find a way over that, sir. I thought that the city of Detroit did not ask for background stuff.
All right, they do.
I think we talked about that last time. I thought that was what they said that they were gonna do. They weren't gonna ask for background. All right, so I'm gonna set it for another review for January 13th, 2025 at 8:25. I wish you the best of luck. It's, you know, you gotta maybe have to start at the bottom with the fast foods and stuff like that. I don't know if they ask for backgrounds. I can't imagine that they do. I know that the plants don't ask for backgrounds, and I know getting in those places are kind of difficult. In the plants, everybody wants that job. You got to figure out a way, sir.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, I would say happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Is Henry Lewis here? Is Andre Lemon here? Is Daryl Lloyd here? Daryl Lloyd. Is Louis Mag guy here? John Oliver?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Oliver's City of Detroit versus John Otis Oliver, case number SP 120503551, SP 1618850, counts 1, 2, and 3. State your name for the record, Mr. Oliver. Good morning to you.
Good morning. John Otis Oliver.
Today is the date and time set for a review. I've noted that you're in a payment plan, sir.
Yes, correct.
All right, so with that, sir, you'll just deal with the cashiers down there from here on out, all right?
Okay, thank you.
I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Okay, you too. Thank you, sir.
Is Enrique Oliveras here? Is Christopher Owens here? And Wilson Riley. All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Let's recall the city of Detroit versus Armika Renee Green, case number SH10020887, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name.
Ms. Green, I just let you in, back in. Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Shamika Green.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer, Ms. Green. And if you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Ms. Harris, what time is Ms. Green docketed for?
8:35.
8:35. All right, thank you.
I have Ms. Lester. I have Ms. Lester, Your Honor.
Are we ready on Ms. Lester?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Deanna Lester. Ms. Lester, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan? What to do?
Your Honor, she was able to send to me via text message her registration and her insurance. I think the remaining matter would be a seatbelt ticket. At the time that I went to the breakout room, we didn't have our prosecutor as of yet.
All right, what's the deal? Go ahead, you can speak to him now.
He's
Hello?
muted, but he's probably saying it's okay to dismiss the registration and insurance because it's valid.
And just pay the seatbelt?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're gonna stipulate to the base of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client if you have?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That's what you wanna do, pay the seatbelt ticket, Ms. Lester?
Yes.
All right, based on that, pay it $65, I'll find you responsible as charged. When can you pay it now?
I can pay it today. I just need to know how.
You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you to upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lester, I'm gonna give you till Friday to figure it out. You pay it, and you have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Okay, same to you. Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Mr. Berry, are you ready on Ms. Lopez?
Ready, Your
Señor
Honor.
Perry, ¿está listo para el caso de la señora López? Sí, estamos listos, su señoría.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Evelyn Lopez. Ms. Lopez, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que volvemos en el acta con el caso de la señora Evelyn Daniela López. Señora López, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client stands ready to enter a plea, to accept the offer of the people to enter a plea to failure to display and dismiss the no insurance charge.
Su señoría, mi cliente está preparada a presentar su declaración presentar su declaración a la acusación reducida de que faltó demostrar una licencia en ese momento, reconociendo que el cargo de no tener seguro de vehículo va a quedar desestimado.
I didn't see a no insurance charge.
Yo no vi aquí un cargo de no tener seguro de vehículo.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lopez?
¿Es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señora López?
Sí, es claro culpable.
Yes, I'll plead guilty.
Your Honor, my apologies.
Su señoría, disculpe.
Ms. Lester has, I'll need to speak to her again, Your Honor. I just had the wrong party, if you'll permit.
La señora Lester es lo que tengo yo aquí. Si usted me permite volver a hablar con ella, tengo unos papeles aquí equivocados, si usted me lo permite.
All right, rejoin the breakout room, please.
Bien, vuelva usted y únese a la sala privada de consulta, por favor.
Thank you.
Acepte la invitación.
No me ha llegado la invitación.
I'm not receiving the invite to move to the breakout room, says Ms. Lopez.
Counselor on the iPhone. iPhone, is that a lawyer on the iPhone or is that a defendant? With the tie, shirt and tie on?
So this is Officer Adnan Mohammed, badge number 4009.
Okay, Officer Muhammad. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
On the Zoom user, good morning to you. Zoom user, I'm asking you to start your video and state your name, please.
Conrad Green.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. This is Corporal Spadell. I had a new device. I have to rename it.
Morning to you, Corporal Spadell.
Good morning.
All right, Davis. Can I get a good morning, Davis? Can you unmute yourself, please? I mean, turn your camera on, Davis. What is your name, sir?
Harry Patrick Gibbons.
Davis, you're who?
Harry Patrick Gibbons.
Gibbons?
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's continue back. Let's go back on the record with Miss Evelyn, Miss Lopez, I'm sorry, Miss Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Así que vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora López, Evelyn López. Señora, le di la oportunidad de ver a su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, que quiera ser su cliente.
Your Honor, Ms. Lopez is prepared to accept the offer of the people to enter a plea to failure to display.
Su señoría, mi cliente está dispuesta a aceptar la oferta de la fiscalía. Ella va a presentar una declaración hacia el cargo de falta de haber mostrado una licencia de conducir.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lopez?
¿Y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señora López?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and $500 in fines?
¿Y ha comprendido usted que la penalidad máxima posible en su caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí, señora.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y ha comprendido usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio si usted quiere?
Sí, sí, señor.
Yes. Yes, I understand.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice rights and breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Berry revisó sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta tocante sus derechos?
No, está bien.
No, it's okay.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted sabe que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to
They said about how much longer?
August 22nd. You gotta be quiet, please. Draw your attention back to August the 22nd, 2024, around 8:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Harper and Cashew. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 22 de agosto del 2024, aproximadamente a las 8:34 de la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Harper y Cashew. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
Sí, sí, señor.
Yes, yes, sir.
You couldn't do that, could you, ma'am?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señora?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Por qué razón?
Porque no lo tenía encima. Tenía era solo mi ID.
Because I didn't have it on me. I was only carrying my ID at the time.
Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
¿Tiene usted una licencia vigente de conducir, señora?
No, señor. No es válida.
No, sir, it's not valid.
Very good. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 is going to be the fine.
Muy bien. Así que acepto la declaración de culpable del cargo modificado de falta de haber mostrado una licencia en este momento y la multa sería $240.
Acepto.
I accept that.
When can you pay it, ma'am?
¿Para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esa cantidad, señora?
No sé hasta cuándo me podrían dar plazo.
I don't know how much time you could give me for this or if I could have a payment plan.
I'm going to give you 30 days and I'm going to mark the file, allow a payment plan.
Voy a permitirle usted 30 días para alcanzar a pagar, pero también voy a anotar aquí en su expediente que yo voy a permitir un plan de pagos.
Ok. Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Do one of two things by January 13th, ma'am. Either get into that payment plan, which you would have to come down to the courthouse and bring 20%
Bueno, señora, le voy a permitir hasta el 13 de enero para que usted o lo pague o que entre en un plan con la corte. Para entrar en el plan de pagos, usted tiene que venir en persona al tribunal y traiga con usted 20% del total que debe.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Or have it all paid off. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone.
O páguelo para esa fecha, uno o lo otro, de pedir el plan o pagarlo. Sépase que para pagar la cantidad, usted puede ir a cualquier kiosco en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat para hacer el pago. Usted puede poner el app en su teléfono también si gusta, o puede venir en persona a pagarlo.
Mejor en persona.
I think it's better I come in person.
Very good. If it's
Muy
nothing
bien.
further, ma'am, have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Si no tiene algo que agregar, señora, le queremos desear a usted unos días feriados felices y seguros y que tenga buena suerte y buen día.
Igual, muchas gracias. Feliz día.
Same to you. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant day.
You as well.
Usted también.
All right, on the roll device. What is your name, please?
Hello.
Motor device. Good morning to you. What is your name?
Officer Carlton.
Officer Carlton.
Officer Ruffin. Officer Charles Ruffin, sir.
All right, can you remove your hat off?
Sorry, I got still waiting
Yes,
for
sir.
you.
I'm sorry, my apologies.
I was really about to die.
That's what I said.
Officer Charles.
I'm sorry, I caught the bus.
Say that name again, officer.
Officer Charles Ruffin, sir.
Oh, Officer Ruffin. On the Samsung device, good morning to you. All right, Mr. Green, you're gonna need to be quiet. On the Samsung device, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Daryl Boyd.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? No,
Your Honor, my
ma'am.
client is respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Green? I don't think you gave me any dates. I have one, I have two more.
Judge Perkins,
I'll give you a trial date. No, I haven't yet, ma'am, please. I'll give you a trial date on February 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Green?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Because I'm working on it.
Happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Have a blessed one.
All right, very good. This is the city of Detroit versus Brian Alec Lazanik. Case number SP 161-24531, SP 161-33801. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir. This is Brian Lazanik.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer C. Gordon here? Officer C. Gordon. Hearing no response and not having seen that officer join the breakout room. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we move the court to dismiss this matter, there being no complaining witness.
All right, the case is gonna dismiss. No officer. Mr. Lazanik, have a safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you, sir. You do the same.
All right, thank you. All right, let's go down to Earl O'Neill, this city of Detroit versus Earl Benson O'Neill Jr. Case number is SP 158-3 727, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 158378281. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Earl O'Neill.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. O'Neill.
All right. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. He had a trial date set on 11/18/2024. I don't know what happened on that date. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial. See if you can work something out for Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with Ms. Harris, and if you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Mr. Willie Graham.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Present.
Good morning. This is
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Willie Frank Graham.
So that would be Junior.
Willie Frank Graham Jr.
Yes.
What's your date of birth, please?
6/19/1977.
Case number is SP 1026027, SP 1639707, 19503237. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graham.
My name is Willie Frank Graham Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. If he has a improper lane use ticket that's not on the docket, but it seems like it's open. So, get him an updated offer on that. Mr. Graham, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry, what time is Mr. Graham docketed for, please?
8:30.
Thank you.
Judge, not to jump in, Ms. Villarreal, I'm trying to prompt you to join a breakout room if you wouldn't mind. Thanks, Judge.
This is the City of Detroit versus, are you ready, Mr. Overstreet on Kyle Lawrence? Where's Mr. Overstreet? All right, let's pass that. What about the sentencing? For all
Did you call Ms. LaTanta Gibbons?
No, I have not yet.
Okay.
All right, where's Mr. Oswald? Where's the attorney for Oswald?
Right here, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus Spencer William Oswald, case number C8072491. Appearance for the record, please.
Brian Watkins, P78611, on behalf of Mr. Oswald, Your Honor.
Mr. Oswald, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Go ahead, Spencer William Oswald.
Okay, go ahead, counsel. Today is the date and time set for a sentencing.
Yes, Your Honor. First, I'd like to just make a record that Mr. Oswald and myself have spoken about his absolute right to appear for sentencing in person, and he's electing today to waive that right and appear via video conferencing technology. As far as is Your Honor inviting me to allocute?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
What I would say, Your Honor, is that.
Let me say this. Have you gone over this? Obviously, you've probably gone over this pre-sentence report from the other court. Is that correct?
It is, Your Honor.
And is there anything in the report that you already addressed, and things in the report that you may want to subtract, delete, or
we
explain?
have no additions, modifications, or deletions, Your Honor.
All right, you can go ahead on your client's behalf.
Well, I would note, Your Honor, Mr. Oswald just began a 30-plus month sentence in the Department of Corrections. He understands that this is the sentencing is something that's been outstanding with this court for some time. I would just ask that the court, it's really 6 to half dozen the other. I would ask the court make a record that his sentence, I believe that the law requires that it be concurrent to the time that he's serving now. That being said, we just ask for fines and costs.
And educate me then, why do you believe that it has to be concurrent?
Because it's not an enumerated offense. It occurred prior to the offenses for which he is
Incarcerated for?
incarcerated, correct?
All right. Do you have anything to say on your behalf, Mr. Oswald? You don't have to.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. It's going to be the sentence of the court that now, Mr. Counsel, do you believe that there's I'm going to sentence him to a 30-day term of incarceration that will run concurrent to the other offense. As far as the fines and costs, there's going to be I don't think I can waive the mandatory state fines and costs. So we'll impose the mandatory state fines and costs, which I have a list here. $50 state cost, $75 crime victims' rights fee, ordinance misdemeanor cost of $65. There's no house counsel fee to retain. There will be no testing. There will be no monthly supervision fee. So that's what we'll order. And any other mandatory fees that will say, so 30 days Wayne County Jail, state cost of how much time have you done already?
Approximately 8 months, Your Honor.
All right, I'll say time served. State cost 50. Crime victims' rights fee 75. Misdemeanor ordinance fee 65. All right, and then we didn't do an assessment, so you won't get that cost. And I'll just say, and any other mandatory fees, but I don't think there's much else. All right.
I don't either, Your Honor. Oh, and in case it wasn't addressed the first time we spoke in court, Your Honor, I just asked that the court cancel his warrant.
Yeah, I think the warrant was already canceled.
It might have been. I just didn't remember. So forgive me for being.
No, that's all right. No, it's good for being thorough. That's it's fine with me. I just did that the warrant was canceled. That's why it's set for sentencing. So it wouldn't have been set for sentencing if the warrant wasn't canceled. But anyway, I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Mr. Oswald. I hope that when you get out, you can come back a productive member of society. That's what we need.
I will. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney Watkins, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, and you would do as well, Mr.
Merry Christmas, Judge. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. You have Conrad Green present.
Conrad Green.
For trial.
Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Judge, as Attorney Dupree, we've got the case that Ms. Villarreal is here for ready.
Who's that?
Jose Garcia.
Did I get Jose Garcia's file this time?
Yes,
I have that. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Antonio Garcia, case number SP 1581241. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José Antonio García, número de caso SP158-12431. Que todos tengan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, P80132 for the defendant. Mr. Garcia, state your name, please.
Buenos días, su señoría. Habla el abogado Matthew Dupree, número de abogado P8132, P0P132. Señor García, usted por favor diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Where is it?
¿Dónde está?
He was here a second ago.
Acaba de estar aquí.
I'm asking him to unmute right now.
Unmute yourself.
Señor, prenda su micrófono. García, prenda su micrófono. Ok, ready.
Take your hat off, sir, please.
Quítese su cachucha, por favor, señor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. Go ahead, Mr. Dupree.
Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta final previa al juicio. Adelante, señor Dupree.
Judge, we are back today because the defense had asked for a jury trial back in August, but there were no jury trial dates available. Just wondering if we now have a jury trial date that's available.
Su señoría, nosotros hemos regresado hoy porque cuando nos presentamos en agosto habíamos pedido un juicio con jurado, pero no habían fechas disponibles. Estamos aquí hoy para ver si hay alguna fecha disponible para juicio con jurado.
Sí, está bien, gracias.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
All right, jury trial date is going to be April the 1st.
Your Honor, did you say April the 1st?
Yes.
Thank you. Así que su fecha para juicio con jurado va a ser el 1 de abril del 2024.
We'll have a final pretrial date on March the 31st at 8:30.
Vamos a tener una consulta final previa al juicio el 31 de marzo a las 8:30 de la mañana.
31 de marzo.
March 31st.
Yes, 8:30.
A las 8:30.
All parties must appear.
Todas las partes tienen que comparecer.
That's either by Zoom or in person.
O por la plataforma de Zoom o comparecer en persona.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
And let's set, are we going to have any motions?
¿Y usted piensa presentar alguna petición o moción?
I don't expect so. Oh, sorry. I don't expect so, Judge.
No espero, no lo espero.
If so, let's say the motion date at March the 7th.
Pero vamos a decir que por si acaso alguien quiere presentar una moción, La fecha para hacerlo, la fecha límite es el 7 de marzo.
And on March the 14th for the response.
Y las respuestas para el 14 de marzo.
If it's nothing further, you and your client have a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Y si no hay nada que agregar, que usted y su cliente tengan unos días feriados felices y seguros, y buena suerte a usted.
Ya es para mí, ¿verdad?
Is that it then?
That's it.
Eso es todo.
¿Ya puedo salir del grupo?
Then can I leave now from this group?
You may.
Se puede desconectar.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Your Honor, could we check the license of Willie Graham?
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Daryl Aaron Lloyd, case number SP 161900501. Mr. Lloyd, the one and two, you state your name for the record, please. Daryl Lloyd. Where is he?
Your Honor, may the interpreter be excused?
Yeah, you can ask if anyone else needs an interpreter.
Oh, absolutely. Queremos saber si hay alguien más que necesite un intérprete de español.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, we'll see you soon.
See you soon, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Attorney Dupree, can you meet me in breakout room 4, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr.
O'Neill.
Mr. Berry, that license for Willie Green is valid. Willie Graham is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
It was Earl O'Neill. And I think Daryl Lloyd unmuted his device, Your Honor.
Say what? Well, Daryl Lloyd, he's
Speaking.
holding me up.
Yeah, I'm Daryl Boyd. I'm here.
Yeah, you hold me up because you weren't there when I called your name, and you didn't
No,
pay.
I've been here.
Let's go back on the record with Daryl Lloyd. You weren't there when I called your name.
I'm Daryl Boyd.
2 or 3 times.
I'm Daryl Boyd. Boyd,
So
B-O-Y-D.
That's not my. That's Daryl Boyd. Daryl
Well, that was my
Boyd.
mistake. I apologize. That's what I thought I heard.
All right. Let's go back on the record. Are you ready on anyone, Miss Harris?
Miss O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I'm sorry.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, we're going to try this again. You need to appoint a counsel. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right. I need a good phone number. Well, let's see. I need it. All right. I have a phone number from you and the email. So what I need you to do is I need you to answer the calls you may not recognize. One of those calls is that should be that attorney. That attorney does not contact you by the next court date. We'll appoint one to you on the spot. All right. So the next date is going to be January pretrial, January 24, 2025 at 8:30. And the trial date is going to be February 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Right.
This is the City of Detroit versus Angel Jesus Talley, case number SP 1246785, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing? It's Angel Talley.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Talley, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Give Mr. Talley an updated offer, Ms. Harris. I'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Talley. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, please. Pass the matter, Mr. Berry. What are you gonna do with, oh, he's gone in there.
Judge, what time do you call no officer?
Now, there's no officer.
Unique Owensby should be ready.
This is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Lewis Boyd. Case number SP 119100972. State your name for the record, please.
Daryl Lewis Boyd.
All right, Mr. Boyd, you were ordered to pay $240. You never paid.
Yeah, I'm on a fixed budget. I thought I had the money this weekend, but I don't. And I was wondering if I can be on some kind of pay restriction or something I can pay.
I've already given you the opportunity to get into a payment plan.
Beg your pardon?
I've already given you the opportunity to get into a payment plan.
I didn't know if I was in one or not because I was
you have to get into the payment plan. I don't put you in there. You have to come down to the courthouse and get either pay it off or get into a payment plan. We'll try again.
I didn't know. I didn't know how it worked, sir.
Come on, Mr. Boyd. First of all, you said you were going to pay it.
Yes, I did. I said I was going to pay, and I said I was going to pay, but I thought I had the money this weekend. I didn't. I mean, I'm trying to do the best I can right now, sir.
Come back January the 13th. January the 13th. Either have it paid at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, and or get into a payment plan. You're going to have to come down to the courthouse. Do that before January 13th. So when you come back January 13th, I can see you're in the payment plan. I think you're going to have to bring 20% of the money down to get into the payment plan.
Okay. Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Unique Lynette Owensby, case number SP 141-73641, SP 150-28941, SP 159-2415, counts 1 and counts 2. Here for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. 30132 for the defendant. Ms. Owensby, please unmute your device if you haven't already and state your name, please.
Unique Owensby.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. And we have Officer Carson, Corporal Carson. Melendez is here. Officer Melendez is here. State your name for the record, Officer Melendez. Good morning to you and your badge number and your department. Please.
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Zachary Melendez, the Detroit Police Department's 9th Precinct, badge 3048.
Thank you. Good morning. Waterlow, is Officer Waterlow here? Officer Waterlow. All right, hearing no response. Mr. Dupree, you need to go ahead and break off room 4 and speak with Mr. Bowman about an offer. I'm going to put your client in breakout room 5. All right, and Ms. Owensby, go to breakout room 5. Mr. Dupree will come and speak with you, all right?
Okay.
Judge, I'm only appointed on Waterloo's case, the one that was dismissed. I believe Mr. Melendez's matter is a traffic matter, which normally would just be handled by House counsel. I can stick around to handle it, but I do need to get over to Judge Bryant for an ag assault. What is?
All of them are misdemeanors I call.
Oh, all right. I apologize, Judge. I didn't know. They only gave me the Waterloo case. What was the case number for Officer Melendez's case?
That was SP 1502891. She owes many civil infractions. 156 on a disregard of traffic control device, 144 on failure to secure passenger, 175 on a no registration, 228 on a 11 to 15 over, and 26 to 30 over, 216. All right, and that one speeding ticket, 26 to 30 over, went with the no ops. All right.
Got it.
Speak
Thank
to
you,
the woman in the breakout room. He's waiting on you. And then Miss Owensby is in number 5. Read her advice of rights if she's going to take a deal. All right. Let's go down to who are we ready on? All right. Any comment? What about Mr. Johnson? Dawson Johnson.
Hi, Judge. Waiting to speak with Mr. Bowman. I sent him a chat, but he didn't respond. I guess he's in 4. If you can put me in there, that'd be great.
Did you say Lewis yet?
No, I didn't. Sorry. Good morning. What about who else? The retained counsel Cross? Is there any other retained counsel Cross? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Client? Oh. Who's your client? Attorney Cross.
Judge Jack Garrity, who's on. He's on right now.
Yes. What is going to go on with Mr. Garrity?
I don't know. We set it for a bench. See what we might be able to get done. My guy got sucker punched and went down, so we're not pleading to anything. It's a matter of how we're going to get rid of it.
The City of Detroit versus John Richard Garrity, case number SP 1604371. Appearance for the record, please.
John Garrity here.
And Joe Crosby 55824.
All right, good morning, Mr. Garrity. Good morning, Mr. Cross. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Burris?
240.
Officer Burris, hearing no response, that's how you get rid of it.
Move to dismiss.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. I've called Officer Burris. I do not see Officer Burris in either the waiting room or into the main session or in any of the breakout rooms. So case is going to be dismissed. That's our interview. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and I'll see you soon off the Attorney Cross. Until then, have a safe and happy holiday season as well.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Talley. Mr. Talley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this case is dismissal for the city attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. It was a recommendation to dismiss both. We stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, Mr. Talley. If there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
My man, appreciate it.
Is Harold Herschel here? That's Big Hirsch, I believe. That Big Hirsch, Harold Hirsch? Herschel? Herschel Howard? Herschel Howard, unmute yourself, please.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, all right, I'm here, Your Honor.
That's Herschel Howard.
Yeah, I'm here, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Herschel Howard.
Yeah, I'm here, Your
Honor. Case number SP 1609458, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Herschel Page Howard.
All right, there's date and time set for a pretrial. Good morning to you, Mr. Howard. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Breakout room for what, Your Honor?
Join the room, please.
Okay, yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Willie Graham. Mr. Graham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to impeding for the improper lane use. The court has confirmed that he has a license. The remaining no insurance matter to be dismissed.
No insurance. It's just 2 license infractions.
Just 2 licenses. Sorry, Your Honor.
Yes, that's what you want to do, Mr. Brown.
I feel I was coerced into that one, but I'll pay the $240.
Oh, come on now. You coerced and you're a grown man. How are you coerced in anything? Do you want to take the deal or not?
Yes, I'll take it. Thank you.
Coerced into something. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
On your client responsible for being coerced into pleading to blocking traffic. It's $175. I'll waive the warrant fee on the other 2 matters, and you'll have to pay the reinstatement fees. I'll dismiss those matters. Provide and valid documentation. $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Brown?
I didn't hear you. What'd you say?
$175. When can you pay it?
As soon as possible, within a week.
As soon as possible is today. Within a week, you want a week?
Yeah, a week is fine.
All right, pay it by the 23rd. And any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload that DivDat out to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Hey, can I ask you a question? You said something about a reinstatement.
Yes, on the old tickets, they went into warrant status. There was a $45 reinstatement fee and a $50 warrant fee. I waived the both $50 warrant fees. You have to pay the 2 $45 reinstatement fees. All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you. Have a great holiday.
Usual. This is the city of Detroit versus Yolanda Lowe. Case number SP 1633033, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lowe.
She's on the phone. You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Ms. Lowe. *6 to unmute yourself.
Hello, Yolanda Lowe.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial Miss Lowell, Mr. Berry's gonna, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right. She's gonna be in there, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Owensby. Ms. Owensby, I've given you, Mr. Dupree, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel regarding the matter. What's your client want to do?
So Judge, we did, there was a proposed plea offer, but then my client tells me she has a valid license now. And that I think that she indicates that the court had verified that at a prior court date. As I indicated, I was only appointed on the quarterly, so I don't know if I was there at that other court date. I can't speak to that.
Go check the license.
Good morning, Your Honor. Have I been called yet? I've been here since 8:30.
Yeah, good morning. All right, license is valid. So what we'll do is we'll dismiss SP 1R173641 for provide valid documentation, waive the warrant fee. We'll dismiss SP 1502894. For provide valid documentation, and on the other two matters, you ask report you put a motion to dismiss for no officer. That officer had not appeared, so we'll dismiss those cases. You still owe some civil infractions, Ms. Owensby. I'll let you deal with the court, with the cashier downstairs with that. All right.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a safe, happy holiday season. And we'll see you.
So do I have to come down to the court to do that?
You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and do it, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Safe and happy holiday season, man. And you as well, Mr. Dupree.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lowe?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, trial date. Let's set the trial date for February 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lowe, you have a safe, happy holiday season, and I'll see you back in the new year, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Martell. Where's Martell?
I'm right here, Your Honor. How's it going?
Good morning to you. What is your full name, sir?
Martell Diego Green.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Martell Diego Green, case number U68529-724. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Martell Diego Green.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
In our not guilty plea on your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. All right, I don't have a file, so I don't know. It just says disorderly conduct. I'm sure it's not on the ROA. So you can get him an offer or set the matter for trial. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Mr. Johnson, are you ready? Mr. Vassal Johnson. All right. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready?
I don't have my device. I had to switch devices. Can I speak back to Mr. Bowman?
I see you in 4, Mr. Ogletree.
On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
David Dow.
Oh. iPhone. I'm giving you the prompt. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Turn your camera on. State your name.
Is it David's iPhone?
No, it's not David's iPhone. David, what is your last name, sir?
Giles, Giles.
Take your hat off, please.
Oh yeah, sorry.
iPhone, I'm gonna ask you one more time, I'm gonna put you out. I'm sending you the prompt. Unmute your device, turn your camera on. Putting you out. Are we ready on anyone?
I believe we're ready on Miss. Where did he go?
Lord, here.
Let's go back
Mr. Howard, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Howard. Mr. Howard, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present his valid insurance. It is a historical car, so he didn't have that paperwork with him right away. The car has been stored for the winter months, and he does indicate a valid license, and he did show a paper that shows that, but we would ask the court to confirm.
You talk to Mr. Bowman about that?
He was not in the breakout room.
All right, he's in there now. Go in the breakout room and speak with him. I'm gonna run his license.
Excuse me, Judge. This is Corporal Kropik. I'm sorry for interrupting.
Good morning to you.
I had checked in earlier and I was in another courtroom. I'm here on George Green. Do we know if he checked in? It was just for a no plates charge.
George Green?
Yes.
I don't see a George Green on my docket for trial.
Looks like it was
George Rufus Green. George Rufus Green, are you here? All right, he's not. So you're free to leave.
All right, thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
Be safe out there, folks.
You too.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I was wondering, have you called me yet?
I already spoke to you and I told you no, Miss O'Rear. Just give me a minute. I'm taking them in the order that you came in. I haven't forgot about you, all right? All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer. Officer Sapp.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. You have a question?
Yes, sir. I didn't know if Kelly Gray had been called yet. When I first tried to enter, it took about 16 minutes for me to be allowed into the chat room.
It hasn't been called yet.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Who's the lawyer for Gray? Johnson?
Your Honor, if I can ask if Officer Davis or Officer Calloway is present?
Davis or Calloway? I don't know if Calloway is here. This Officer Davis, Officer Calloway. Who is that for? Kyle Lawrence?
It's for, yeah, Kyle Lawrence.
I thought Officer Corey Davis was here, but maybe I may be mistaken. No, I haven't seen.
Yeah, I'm here.
Corey Davis?
No, that was my client, Kyle Lawrence spoke.
No, I have not seen Officer Davis.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Tillison is here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, no Davis. All right.
All right, thank you.
Tappo, Officer Tappo, you want to know if your defendant has appeared? Martez Little, is Martez Little here? I don't think so. You're free to leave, Officer Tappo. Be safe out there. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
See. Martez Little. All right, Mr. Berry, are we ready on Mr. Green? Let's go back on the record, Mr. Martell Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Little? Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
248-763-9872.
248-763-9872, correct?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you 2 dates. I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date, January 24th, 2025 at 8:30. That date you answer the calls you don't recognize, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not call you by that date, then on that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. And then I'm gonna give you a trial date of February 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. So we'll remind you of the trial date. Just come back January 24th at 8:30. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You as well, Your Honor.
Your Honor, are we referring to the defendant Martell Diego Green?
Yes.
Okay. And he wants a trial.
Yes.
Okay. My offer of disorderly conduct delay 3 goes away today.
Okay. All right, let's go back on the. All right, have a good day, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you.
Thank you too.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Latanga Gibbons, case number SP 1604073, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 160408111, SP 1636186 counts 8. Strike that. SP 1636168 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barry.
Elwood S. Barry. Elwood S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibbons.
Latanja Gibbons.
Your Honor.
Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gibbons, you have a warrant out for your arrest for an old 2014 case. That's going to have to be dealt with in Ms. Judge Bryant's courtroom. We're dealing with the traffic matters here today. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Gibbons. Mr. Barry is going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, we'll set a trial date. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with him, okay?
Okay, I have my paperwork.
Okay, join the room, let him talk to you.
Okay,
all right.
Thank you.
You have a valid license?
Yes, I have a driver's license, insurance, and my registration.
License, please. Okay, join the room, please. All right, let's go back. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Howard. Mr. Howard, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding the court was confirming the status of his license.
His license is valid.
And at this time, there's a recommendation to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, cases are going to be dismissed, Mr. Howard. Have a safe.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm gonna send you a turkey too. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, Ms. Harris.
You're welcome.
Young Gray.
I'm gonna send you a turkey, Miss Harris, and the judge. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy
what you say? Make you what?
What are you saying? Okay, let's go. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Tamanja O'Rear. Case numbers SP 1608328 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1608351. Strike that. SP 1608351. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, I'm here.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. O'Rear, please state your name.
Tamaya O'Rear.
Tamaya, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Green, Officer Antonio Green?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right. Good morning to you, Officer Green. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
I'm Officer Antonio Green, badge 1170, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris, speak to Ms. O'Rear in the breakout room, see if you can help her sort this out. If not, we'll hold the trial. Ms. O'Rear, join the breakout room, please. Okay, anybody ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Ready, Young Gray.
On who?
Carl Lawrence, we're ready.
All right. You're ready on Gray, Kelly Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Kelly Gray, case number U69101224. Appearance for the record, please.
Kelly Gray. Vassal Johnson II on 72130 on behalf of Ms. Gray. She's on Zoom.
All right, Ms. Gray, state your name for the record, please.
Kelly Gray.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Knapp, can you state your name for the record, please, and put your badge and department on the record?
Police Officer Myers of Snap II, badge number 4237, Detroit Police Department, 5th Precinct and Mobile Field Force.
All right, good morning to you. All right, what's going to be the resolution here, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. She's pleading no contest to the 3-month delay sentence. And she respectfully asks for community service in lieu of any fines.
Are you still in Saginaw, ma'am?
No, sir, I'm in Detroit.
All right, I need an updated address for you.
888 Pallister.
888?
888 Pallister. Pallister. Apartment 710, Detroit, Michigan, 48202.
888 Pallister, apartment 710, Detroit, 48202.
Yes, sir.
All right. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
What is the deal? Is as charged? What is going to be the
Delayed sentence, Your Honor.
and how many months?
3.
3 months.
3-month delay. Can you raise your right hand, Miss Gray? Where did she go?
I'm here.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, I do now.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice of rights of breakout rule, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, it was my understanding that there would be, I'm assuming there could possibly be a 3-month delay if I did not receive the other tickets or mishaps.
Yes, but you understand you'll give these rights up by taking this deal, right?
Yes, sir.
That Mr. Johnson went over with you. Has anybody offered you anything other than what was stated, what you just stated?
No, sir.
All right, let me, Mr. Johnson, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis? What is the no contest plea for?
Recollection.
You stipulate to no the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for what's alleged ticket?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find your client. We're going to treat the no contest plea. We'll enter a non-contest plea on your behalf. That's treated like a guilty plea as for sentencing. I'm going to sentence you to 12 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, Ms. Gray.
I asked you if I was pleading guilty or not, and I'm confused. You said
okay.
that
Your attorney asked for a no contest plea. That means you don't plead to anything. We'll use the face of the ticket as a representation of what was alleged on that day. But that no contest plea is also treated like a guilty plea as for sentencing. So you asked your counsel through your counsel that instead of a fine, we'll sentence you to community service. With that, I'm sentencing you to 12 hours of community service. Does that better explain, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that what you understood was going to happen?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
It'll be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. And again, if you don't have any other issues like this in the next 3 months, and you complete the 12 hours of community service, we'll dismiss the case. All right.
Okay. Thank you. I do have a question. I have a question. I know that they may be separate, but I did file a complaint in this instance against Mr. Mr. Snap and his associate And I have not heard anything on that. How do I go about it? I'm sorry?
You'll have to follow up with the police department that you filed a complaint with.
Well, I've tried repeatedly, and I'm not getting.
That does not come to me. Okay. That's dealt with internally by the police department and you and Officer Snap.
Thank you.
So
have a good day, Judge.
I need a good phone number from you, Miss Gray.
313 797 8893.
I'm going to refer this matter to Ms. Green to schedule you a community service. So you need to answer the calls. I'm going to give you Ms. Green's number as well, whenever you're ready.
One moment, please. Yes, sir, I'm ready.
313-965-8130. You should not have to call Ms. Green. Ms. Green should call you. However, if you don't hear from Ms. Green, you have the number and you know how to get in touch with the court. I'm going to give you until March the 17th to complete those 12 hours of community service. That's going to be your next court date at 8:25. If the hours are complete and you don't get any other trouble, we'll dismiss the case on that day. If you don't have anything.
You said March 17th, excuse me.
Yes, at 8:25. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Gray, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Same to you, sir. When you do that prayer that you said you do earlier for that young man, please include me.
Absolutely, I absolutely will, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bell.
All right, Officer Snap, you have a safe, happy holiday season. You be safe out there, and Mr. Johnson, I'll see you if I don't see you before the holiday. You have a safe and happy holiday season.
Thank you, sir. I'll be on military leave.
All right, be safe, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you for your service, too. All right, let's go back on the record to Ms. O'Rear. Ms. O'Rear, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client is responsible for impeding.
Yes, Your Honor, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis and stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
With that, that what you want to do, Ms. O'Rear?
Yes.
Pardon me?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, and I'll dismiss the other matters. That's going to be $175, ma'am. When can you pay?
Can I do a payment plan?
You can get into a payment plan. I'm going to give you until January 13th, 2025 to either pay it off, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, or you get into a payment plan before that time. I believe you're going to have to bring 20% down to the courthouse, and you're going to enter that payment plan. If there's nothing further, you have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Carl Lord.
We're ready, Your Honor.
I understand. Carl Lord.
Yes, sir.
Morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Carl Lord. Case number S162-04241. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Yes,
Sherika
sir.
Harris. Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Carl Warren Lurie.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We're not in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Your client got to disregard the traffic control device ticket, or disregarding a traffic control sign or device, along with this ticket that he paid last month on the on the 15th. Mr. Lord, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I don't. I have one more ticket to go. I'm trying to get them all done. I
Turn your
just got
camera
through the
on.
neck surgery, so
Turn your camera on, sir, please.
say what?
Turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
All right. So, Ms. Harris, he did pay a related civil infraction. You can speak to Mr. Bowman about that. Mr. Lord, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Speak with Ms. Harris. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room,
sir.
please. What's gonna go on with Gibbons, Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, if the court confirms that she has a valid license, then all of the matters should be dismissed. She has produced valid insurance and registration.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibbons. Ms. Gibbons, I do have a valid license, so the cases will be dismissed, and I'll wait the warrant fee, providing valid documentation. Ms. Gibbons, I did tell you that you had that open truancy case in front of Ms. Judge Bryant. So you're gonna have to get in contact with her court to settle that up, all right?
Truancy was for my children, wasn't it?
Well, it's in your name, and I know it's a 2014 case, but I can't do anything with it. That's Judge Bryant's case, all right?
So I called 36th District and asked for Judge Bryant.
Yeah, we can get you the number over there. What's Judge Bryant's court tonight?
Thank you.
Judge Bryant's court is 965.
965.
2295.
2295. Judge Bryant.
Let her verify.
That was, yeah, that's correct. 2295.
All right.
2295. Okay. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah, safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Latanya Esterly. Is Latanya Lee there?
Yes, I'm here.
Turn your camera on, ma'am.
Is it on? Is it on?
No.
Oh dear. I'm trying to figure it out.
City of Detroit versus Latanya. Is that Latanya Esterly?
Latanya Esterly, that's correct.
City of Detroit versus Latanya Esterly. Case number is SP 108601111, SP 1334342, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1377122, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1590949, SP 161420101, SP 872405, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9113451, 17373004. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lee.
Latanya Esterly.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. She has a 16 to 20 over that went with that one of the no insurance ticket. It's not been that old. I wouldn't block a set aside if the city has no objection. Ms. Lee, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on her behalf and give her a $0 bond. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer, Ms. Lee. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Your Honor, Victor Bowman, P 33764 for the people. I have no objection.
I will call SP 159-09-492 into the record. Mr. Berry, get Ms. Lee an updated offer and teach her how to turn that camera on. I have to see who she is. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Kyle Lamar Lawrence. Case numbers SP 1399131, counts 1. SP 1355863, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1410399, counts 2, it counts 3. SP 141040001. SP 1418494, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1616385, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Overton, about for Mr. Kyle Lawrence. Mr. Kyle Lawrence, can you state your name?
Kyle Lawrence.
And good morning to you, Mr. Lawrence.
Morning.
I thought we were brought to you. All right, I'm trying to figure out where this extra case number is. He's got 2 civil infractions that are old, 1 no plates, $204, and a no equipment, $144. They don't appear to be on the docket. Officer Calloway, you were here, you're here, but you didn't come on time. I have a half-hour grace period, and you came in well after 9:30.
I was having technical issues, sir. I know I should have called, but my phone wasn't even working at all. Computer.
Okay. Well, that's just for, I won't mark no officer, I'm just gonna mark dismissal, okay?
Thank you.
You have a safe,
Thank
happy
you,
holiday season and best of luck to you. What about Officer Tillison, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Detroit Police Officer Philip Tillison.
All right, good morning to you. And then we talked about Corey Davis, Officer Corey Davis. I don't think we established that he was not here either, correct?
That's my understanding as well, Your Honor.
All right, so we have what's going to be the resolution?
So we will ask for dismissal where Officer Corey Davis and Officer Keller wasn't present and timely. And there's been a resolution in regards to the case where Officer Tillis is present. So case number ending in 8631, that's going to be reduced to fail to display. Ticket number ending in 8632, that's going to be reduced to improper plates. Ticket ending in 8633, that's going to be dismissed. Then ticket ending in 941, that's going to be dismissed. And he's going to plead to ticket ending in 9442, that's going to be improper plates. And then license improper, 8631 is going to be dismissed. So it's pleading to 1 count of failed display, 2 counts of improper plates.
Your Honor, this is Mr. Bowman. As it relates to these tickets for Kyle Lawrence, when you did your roll call, did we confirm that Officer Davis is not present?
We did confirm that
All
Officer
right.
Davis was not present,
All right, thank you.
and Officer Calloway appeared, but he appeared late, so we dismissed those cases.
I got you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Now, I have failure to display, improper plate. How many counts of improper plate?
2, Your Honor.
2.
And how many counts of failure to display?
1.
And then what else?
That's it. Dismissal of the balance. Regarding Officer Tillotson.
So SP 1410399 counts 2 and counts 3. That was Officer Davis, right?
I believe so.
SP 1410401. That was Officer Davis as well.
Your Honor,
Yes.
could we check the status of the license of Latanya Lee?
Yeah. And then SP 163, I'll strike that, SP 161 6385 count 1 and counts 2. We dismissed those because the Officer Calloway was late. All right. So raise your right hand as you want to take the deal, sir.
Yes.
Raise your right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. 2 improper plates and 1 FTD, is that correct?
Yes.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 10th, 2022 at around 5:07 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Warmer and Red Nichols. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time?
Yes.
Can we contact the Detroit Police Department, did you?
Yes.
You were operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have a valid driver's license.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance as well and registration?
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Didn't have it.
Very well. Find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 will be the fine. And improper plate, $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss that improper plate upon payment. Let me draw your attention back to January the 5th, 2023, at around 11:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Lasher. Did you have an occasion on that day to come to town?
Yes.
Operator motor vehicle.
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid
Yes.
a registration for that vehicle. You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
I didn't have it.
Very good. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate 240. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
We stipulate the probable cause.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna save you 240. I'm not gonna fine you for all three of them. I'll just fine you for two. You owe some civil infractions as well. So 240 and 240. I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay them?
They saying that you go 1, 2, and there's one right here. That just come off. That's just the shield to protect stuff, right?
Yeah, that's the heat shield.
All right, you have to be quiet,
That's
Lauren,
turbo.
please, Lauren.
Hold on.
Okay, I need to take that off. That's gonna make
You
sure.
have to be quiet, Lauren. Go ahead.
Give me like 3 months.
3 months. No, I'm gonna give you 1 month. January 13th, 2025. I'll mark the file allow payment plan.
Okay.
Either pay it off January 13th or get in that payment plan. Come back on January 13th. Let me know what you've done. Pay it at any DivNet kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivNet app on your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Lawrence, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Or get in that payment plan before that day.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Best of luck to you. Carrie Gibbons. Carrie Gibbons.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to this is the city of Detroit versus Carrie Patrick Gibbons, case numbers SP 108-87901, SP 161-3046, SP 161-3012, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 5323791, U46398418, 19-432-438, counts 1 and counts 2. Karen, to the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gibbons, please state your name.
Carrie Patrick Gibbons.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's get the officers checked in. Corporal Rule, good morning to you. Are you? No, you're not. You're on Gibson. Anybody here on Gibbons? Officer Reyes. Morales.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, Officer Johnson.
Good morning, Officer Johnson. Let's state your name, badge number, please. All right.
Yes, sir. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department, traffic enforcement.
Right.
Officer Michael Reyes, badge 4905, Detroit Police K9 unit.
Okay, good morning to you. I don't see Officer. I saw Corporal Hampton last year. He checked in on time. I don't see him now. Let's see if he's in the breakout room. I don't see him in the breakout room.
You taking off the hands?
Officer William Johnson. I don't see him either. And Officer Elliot Glenn. Do not see him. All right, Ms. Harris, go in the breakout room and give Mr. Gibson an offer And if he doesn't like the offer, we'll hold a trial. Mr. Gibson, go ahead in the breakout room and speak with Ms. Harris and give her a minute. She'll be there in a second, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Carl Lord. Mr. Lord, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss the misdemeanor matter.
A related civil infraction. Case dismissed, Mr. Lord. Have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you. Go ahead in the breakout room, Ms. Harrison, talk to Mr. Mr. Berry, are you ready on anyone?
No, Your
Ms.
Honor.
Lee, Ms. Lee has a valid restricted license. She does have a valid license.
Thank you, Your Honor. Could I see Mr. Bowman in 4, please?
Mr. Bowman, go to 4, please. Speak to Mr. about LaTanya Lee. Oh, yeah, you go. No. Tell Ms. Harris that Ms. Corporal Hampton is in, he sent a note. That case will survive. On the Motorola Moto G stylus. Unmute yourself, please, and state your name.
That's Corporal Hampton, sir.
Okay, you're back. Okay. Let's good morning to you, Corporal Hampton.
Good morning, sir.
You can't be long now, huh?
About 10 weeks.
10 weeks? That's no time.
It may be 8, considering Christmas is in a few days.
You counting down, huh?
First week of February, you won't see me again.
He ain't going nowhere, Your Honor. He's just talking.
Yeah, I see. You say he's not going nowhere. You got to change. Corporal Hampton, I know he likes that money. How's the hot sauce sales going?
Pretty good. I got Super Bowl orders coming in now.
I need to get me another, or I need to get an order in.
Just let me know what you need, Your Honor. I'll take care of you.
I'm going to call you.
All right.
He said he's not going anywhere. I know he loves that money.
You can't take it with you, Your Honor. You can't take it with you.
You got it. I'm sure you got enough of it.
I'm moving it around.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Officer March. I'm trying to see if there's a Conrad Green here.
Yes, he's here.
Okay.
Good morning to you. I'm calling his next.
Good morning, sir. This is Officer Charles Ruffin. I wanted to see if Larion Greer is available.
No, I haven't seen Greer. Is Larion Greer here?
Or Greer Larion, either way.
No, I don't think I've seen Greer Larion. I don't even see him on the docket.
Scheduled for the day, sir.
What time?
9 a.m. I have his U ticket number.
Ms. Mathis got me a bold docket.
What's the ticket number?
Union 668-7812, ma'am. By the way, good morning, sir. My apologies.
Oh, that's all right. We've already spoken. Good morning, Officer Ruffin.
You said it was 668.
12. You. Say it again, Officer Ruffin.
Union 668-7812.
You don't have any other numbers? What year was the ticket wrote?
Apparently, 2023, ma'am. It said date citation issue 01/27/2023.
That's not coming up. What's the defendant's name again?
It says, on this, it says Greer Larry on, or it could be Larry on Greer. I can spell it for you. George, Robert, Edward, Robert, Lincoln, Alpha, Robert, Yankee, India, Ocean, Nancy.
Is it G-R-E-E or G-R-I-E-R?
It's Greer. Unless they gave me something that I retired from.
Gibson never showed. Corporal Rule. Officer Mullen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to both of you. Gibson never showed.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Wait a minute.
Gibson. We got Gibson.
No, we got Gibbons, not Gibson.
Oh, we had a Gibson.
We had
No,
Gibson.
Gibson, I have Gibson.
No, I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Let me see.
I mean,
My
I don't know
list.
about the first one, but we
I have Green. Boyd is gone.
We had the Sandra Gibbons. Gibbons is here.
He's here for Alfro.
No.
Yeah, Alfred Gibson is what I have.
Oh, no.
I had an iPad that never clicked on. A Moto G that I never got. Dwayne Lewis seemed like he left. You need Orange. Frost is gone. David's iPhone. I don't know. That's David Giles. And then we got Jeffrey Lee.
Jeffrey Lee is here.
I got you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
No, I had no Gibson.
All right. Well, have a great day, Your Honor.
Be safe out there, Corporal Rule. If I don't see you before the holiday, have a safe and happy holiday season. And
You as well. Thank you.
You do the same.
Your Honor, Officer Mullins can sign out too.
You will. Have a safe, happy holiday season and be safe out there if I don't see you.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome.
With the Larry on here.
You got him?
It was, for some reason, it was removed and set for January, for December the 6th, and he failed to appear and he showed up.
Officer Ruppin,
yes, sir.
Larry on Greer, he was show cause. He didn't appear December the 6th. So
okay, sir.
We'll find him. You be safe out there. Have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see you.
Thank you, sir. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
All right, you want a Snickers, a mini one? That's fine.
Nobody ever figured out lunch. Huh?
Oh, I figured it out, but we can wait. We can wait. She's not here. So. Anita's kitchen, but it's raining.
That's way down there on the
On
by me on Woodward, Ferndale.
no, it's one down here.
Oh, is it?
On right there on I think it's Greensville.
No, the mountains are picking this far out.
Right, no.
Have y'all figured out what you know? What day?
You say you'll be out.
Wednesday and Thursday.
Either we do it tomorrow, but she's not here.
Well, let's wait till she comes back. So Friday or Monday? Monday?
Monday, probably don't do it. Well, it doesn't matter. As long as you're here, we can just let it. This is our place for it.
Officer Mohammed, I don't see Angel Graham. And Officer Mertz, you're free to leave. Gibson never showed. So be safe out there. Have a safe and happy holiday season. Officer Mohammed, Angel Graham never showed.
Okay, sir.
So you be safe out there. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
You as well, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
David Giles, do you have a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Hello, yes, Your Honor.
You have all those documents?
I have my driver license, not my insurance registration currently.
All right, run his driver's license. Please. Mr. Lee, you have your hand raised? Pardon me?
No. I'm waiting to speak with you.
Okay, very good. Service.
You mean today, like vouchers?
Just a moment. Show up. Anything got this testing stuff done. Check with probation. See if you got. Looking for.
He was supposed to have testing.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what attorney?
Yeah. Let's see. Are we ready on Miss Lee?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Britannia Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the current offer of the people to allow her to enter pleas to improper plates for the no insurance charge and enter a plea to the open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger on the basis of a 12-month delayed sentence. And finally, as to the off-docket matter, 16 to 20 miles over, she could enter a plea to limited access 6 to 10 miles over, Your Honor. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you just do like the L thing?
No, I'm trying to put my whole hand in the screen.
No, I thought you did. All right.
No, I'm trying to get my whole hand in the screen, sir.
No, I know. I got you. You can put your hand out. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for the offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? Ms. Lee? Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Not at this time.
If you have some more, you better.
No.
You won't? All right. You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No. Stop. Yes, stop.
Ms. Lee, let me carry your attention back to August the 22nd, 2024, around 7:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Tulple. Did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
You say yes?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle? You broke up again.
Yes.
Was it open, ma'am?
Yes, it was, Your Honor.
Was it something in the container?
Yes.
And what kind of alcohol was it?
It was a beer.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in the motor. As charged, open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger. $240 will be the fine. I'll dismiss a 12-month delayed sentence on that. Let me draw your attention back to June the 19th, 2024, around 12:47 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Curtis. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
yes,
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license? Strike that, valid insurance.
yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No,
Why is that?
it had expired a few days prior.
Very well. And were you speeding on that day?
I was driving, but he said that I was.
Do you contest the fact that you're going 16 miles an hour over the speed limit?
No.
Okay, so you were speeding on that day.
Okay, yes.
I'm asking you.
Oh, yes.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access, 6 to 10, $135. With stipulation of probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Let's get a 1-year review date, Ms. Mathis, please. Yeah, 1-year review date. When can you have this stuff paid off?
I cannot give you an honest answer. I am in all type of debt. And I can't drive to get to work.
Come back on December 16th, 2025. Had any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit? I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I'm gonna mark the file allowed payment plan. You gotta be in a whole year, you gotta be able to do something.
How much is, I couldn't hear. It was it 200 and 135?
240 plus 240 plus 240 plus 135, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lee, have a safe, happy holiday season. Come back December 16th, 2025, and hopefully it's all paid off by then, all right?
Yes. Enjoy your holiday. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Conrad Anthony Green, case number SP 160-89831. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Conrad Anthony Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Let's get Officer Murch. Can you put your appearance on the record for Conrad Anthony Green, please? Officer Murch.
Okay, Mark.
Mark, good morning to you. What is your, go ahead, you can go ahead.
Say that again.
You can put your appearance on the record.
Okay.
Name and badge number and department.
Jermaine March, badge number 1394, 7th precinct.
Very good. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. This is kind of a very fact-specific allegation here. So, Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Green, and then you can speak to Mr. Berry. Mr. Bowman. This is a pay and dismiss upon payment, $240 fine. Join the room, please. Let's go past the matter. Miss Harris, are we ready on Gibbon?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Kerry Patrick Gibbons. What's going to be the resolution here?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation. I do want to state that my client had an appointment with the Secretary of State for today at 10:30. Unfortunately, he was still in court, so he missed that appointment. There is an offer, 2 counts of allowing 1 count of limited access, 6 to 10. We are hopeful that that offer can remain open, as Mr. Gibbons does want to come back with a valid license. if they could be reset, these matters could be reset to a pretrial.
Did you talk to Mr. Bowman?
I spoke with him about the offer. My client made these statements to me after I spoke with him.
All right, go ahead and talk to Mr. Bowman about it.
Your Honor, if I may, I don't have an, today is listed as the trial date. Mr. Gibbons has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 open tickets. The most serious ticket appears to going to be dismissed because Officer Will Johnson is not present. Therefore, the open alcohol passenger ticket gets to be dismissed. I will agree to set this as a pretrial if there is no potential penalty for any of the officers who are here and prepared to testify today, that they don't have to be here. Other than that, I'm objecting to the adjournment, and we can proceed with the tickets and the potential offers as listed, such that he has already dodged the biggest bullet. And then he dodged several little bullets.
Oh, what does your client want to do, Ms. Harris?
There's no penalty to the officers if we reset to a pretrial just for him to bring the license. So I guess we're asking for.
But I'm sorry to interrupt, but what happens if he doesn't have a license? Okay, then we've got to go, we've got to continue to do what we have already supposed to do.
Now, I apologize. I think there's a misunderstanding. So I believe there was an offer extended, 2 counts of allowing, 1 count of limited access, 6 to 10 over. We're asking that offer remain. If he comes with a valid license, that's great on his behalf. And if we're able to adjust the offer at a pretrial date based on that, it's appreciated. He's just merely trying to come into good standing. So I would hate to tell him, well, we don't really care if you do or don't. We're just merely asking for him to have that opportunity to come back. The offer is already set. If you're changing it or saying you're not keeping it open, that's different. But we're not asking the officers to be subpoenaed. We're just asking for a pretrial date to come back with a license.
Here's, he did pay $336 for the, I wish you would have went to the Secretary of State while you were on the phone. He did pay $336 for the insurance, so it appears that he doesn't have anything standing in his way at the 36th District Court for him to get a license. I'll say that, that's all I'll say. You're gonna give him an opportunity. You said 2 counts of allowing and what?
Limited access, 6 to 10 over.
Limited access, 6 to 10. So from what I got from all that, is Mr. Bowman does no objection as long as when he comes back, if he comes back without a license, he has to take this limited access and this 2 allowings. Is that what is that my understanding, Mr. Bowman? Is that what you said or what?
No, Your Honor. If he is unsuccessful in getting a license based upon this extra time, and we proceed to the next stages of adjudication, then it's going to be full adjudication. Because at that time, I'm going to make sure.
So the offer's off the table, and if the offer is off the table, if he does not come back with a license?
If he does not come back with a license, I would anticipate that a trial date is going to be scheduled. Okay. And if in fact that happens, if I have to get up and go find the officer specifically as to the open alcohol case, he's going to spend the night with me in my house.
Open alcohol is a SP 532 case. That's pretty. I haven't even seen SP 532, but
I mean,
let me understand what you're saying. Mr. Gibbons is asking for an adjournment because he has an appointment at the Secretary of State today. He feels that he's going to get a license. Are you saying that if he does not get a license, then there's not going to be an offer?
What I'm trying to say more clearly is this. Mr. Gibbons knew of this court date a long time ago. And when he went to seek an appointment with the Secretary of State, if they told them your appointment is on December the 16th, he had an opportunity to say, I need a date other than December the 16th because that is my court date. I would assume that they would have obliged him if he had been timely in making that request. Today is his trial date.
And I'm sorry to interrupt you, but that's not necessarily how that works.
Let me know, just stop.
Had to reschedule it too.
Stop, please. What if he paid this $336 on 12/11/2024? So I would imagine that he just got the money to pay it. He paid it on 12/11.
Your Honor, the people will follow any order of the court as it relates to scheduling.
No, it's not an order of the court. The court wants to understand of what you want to do. He's here, he paid the thing on 12/11. He set a court date for the day. He has an offer to resolve it right now, and 2 counts of a lying and a 6 to 10. He's asking for an adjournment so that he can get a license because he has the Secretary of State thing today. I imagine that he can be a situation where he just paid it on Wednesday and he set the Secretary of State. It probably could be a 2-day delay. You know, it was only Thursday and Friday. Maybe this was his first time going to court. But nevertheless, if you're not objecting to an adjourned pretrial, what do you want to do, Mr. Bowman?
I have no objection to a delayed pretrial.
All right. And is the offer that you gave him today still going to be on the table if he comes back, or are you going to set a new offer?
The only offer that will change will be the open alcohol vehicle passenger ticket.
Well, that's going away today because the officer did not show. That's a 2017 case.
But if he's requesting an adjournment, then that means an adjournment as to everything.
Okay, so that's what you're saying. All right.
That's what I'm saying.
What he's saying is that he won't give the adjournment unless the adjournment goes with the stuff that was supposed to be dismissed today because of no office. Let me let you speak to your client. And then
I can't speak to my client because I'm confused. I don't even know what that means.
So essentially the dismissals that he was gonna get for the in the park after dark and the open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger will not go forward because if he gets an adjournment today, this is what I'm understanding he's saying, if he gets an adjournment today, it's gonna be adjourned on every time. And if he sets a new trial date, they're gonna give the officers another opportunity to come in.
And I don't want that.
Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking to my client about. I still don't understand any of that,
Go
but
speak to Mr. Bowman. Go speak to Mr. Bowman in 4, and you guys get an understanding, and then come back and let me know what you want to. All right, that's the best way to do it. All right. Let's go ahead, Mr. Barry on Green. Let's go back on the record now. Have you talked to Mr. Bowman about this, Mr. Barry, or is there any need to talk to Mr. Bowman about Green?
There's no need, Your Honor. We're ready for trial.
All right, let Mr. Bowman know that as well. Let's pass the matter, and then I'm gonna get you going on Dwayne Lewis. Dwayne Lewis.
Yeah.
And then you can, if you need to speak to Mr. Bowman about Mr. Lewis, speak with him about Mr. Green. Do you have a middle name, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, it's Anthony.
All right, you gotta turn your camera on. City of Detroit versus Dwayne Anthony Lewis, case number SP 10503822. That is 237526561. SP 143868111, SP 1526737, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 152688952. SP 1633604, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
My name is Dwayne Anthony Lewis Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Anthony Lewis, what is your date of birth?
April 29th, 1997.
All right. Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna get you an updated offer from Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Join the breakout room and wait on Mr. Berry. All right, he'll get you the offer. Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
You talking to me?
Yes.
I don't have license. I have registration and insurance.
All right, join the breakout room and wait on Mr. Berry, all right? Mr. Berry, go in the breakout room and talk to Mr. Bowman about Green and Lewis.
Yes.
He's in there now. Mr. Lee, I gave you an opportunity to pay that reinstatement fee up front, and you didn't do it.
Your Honor, I came to the court, but the clerk told me I had to pay $288. You told me I had to pay $45.
That's what it said. Look at the, see if it's entered in there right.
She told me that it was a ticket for no proof of insurance, and that I had to pay $288. And I told her I had insurance at the time.
That's fine. I already marked it up. I did. I did. Okay. Check and see if it says pay reinstatement fee over. Mr. Lee, it doesn't say that. Somebody didn't update the system properly. So we're gonna update it right now. Pay reinstatement fee up front. I'll call it. I'm gonna give them January 27th. City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Scott Lee. Case numbers SP 143-54761, SP 5982091, SP 1598211, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Jeffrey Scott Lee.
That's also called SP 1552151. We marked the file. Ms. Mathis put it in, pay reinstatement fee up front. I wish you would have come up to the court in room and let us know that the last time. You'll have valid license, registration, and insurance when you come back?
Yes, I will, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set the matter for trial. Valid license, registration, and insurance. Come back February 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I can come to the court and pay that $45 now?
You come in there and pay that today. Wait 48 to 72 hours and approach the Secretary of State for a valid license. Come back February 24th with valid license, registration, and insurance. And you have a safe and happy holiday season, all right, Mr. Scott? Mr.
Thank
Lee.
you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me come down here for a minute, and I'll let y'all up here. Y'all just
Why is Ms. Harris, are we ready?
No, Mr. Berry and Mr. speak with Mr. Gibbons in a breakout room to explain what's happening.
Mr. Berry and Mr.
Because I can't explain it, so they're going to do it.
Your was able to license.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus David Allen Giles, case number SP 1635911, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
David.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Giles, please state your name for the record.
David Giles.
Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. The license is valid, Ms. Harris. I don't believe he has valid documentation for the insurance registration. I'm gonna put you in a breakout, get him an updated offer. And you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Giles. Speak to Ms. Harris about it, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I need to.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Giles. You want a bench trial, Mr. Giles?
Yes, that's fine, Your Honor.
That's gonna be February 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Yes, thank you. Same to you.
All right.
Goodbye.
Wayne Lewis. Yeah.
You say you need Dwayne.
I'm straight. I got it.
I don't talk about are easy. And it starts from the person or these are on the changes because we should sure mix up one service. January 7th is a Tuesday. So I'm gonna put you in Wednesday. I'm gonna put you on Wednesday. Work kept changing as I have. So I'm gonna put you in the day that service the software system. So you will have the opportunity to utilize the software system.
Excuse me.
Ready?
And that was. So we're gonna be out. And so I'm gonna put you in. It's gonna be at the same time. So, yeah, we normally do, but unfortunately, we're not. Fortunately for us, we're gonna be out. Because of the holiday, but not for the defendant. So January the 15th. We're gonna be back. So it's just as good as something. So that's gonna be January 15th. Okay, so I'm gonna take you out. Sorry about this. This is it. You may not want it. It's an option. Okay. So let's try to move this to the 8th. Okay. You see, you got several, so just try to write this. And you'll be, it's gonna be right. Because your judge is really sharp. So they're just trying to search you. So it's what we got. And then the court date. All right, thank you for your patience. Okay. You did. It's gonna be 8:30. That's it. It's a coach. Okay. Right. All right. All right. Bye bye. You too.
So we're waiting on Mr. Berry for Green and Gibbons and Lewis.
Who was the other person? I'm sorry.
Conrad Green, Mr. Berry is on for that allowing. Gibbons is the one that we're trying to work out. Lewis, I guess he's got Lewis. He's talking to him now.
I'll take Mr. Gibbons in a breakout room, and I can only explain what I think is happening here.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbons. I mean, Mr. Gibbons. What is going on? Why can't it be? What's the problem?
The problem is he's merely requesting to come back on the matters that would have or could have proceeded to trial today. The problem is everything has to come back. So that means an open alcohol that was seemingly dismissed because there's no officer, and in the park after closing, all of that is now a part of the equation. And I don't quite understand how, nor is that really what the goal was here. I don't know. I could be wrong.
Mr. Bowman. Mr. Berry, who are you ready
Yes,
on?
Mr. Lewis.
Let's pass the matter. What about Mr. Green? Are we still
We're-
holding the trial for that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Dwayne Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, trial date is going to be February 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
All right, you as well. Thank you.
And we are referring to Dwayne Anthony Lewis.
Can y'all repeat the date one more time, please?
February 24th.
24th. Okay.
Yep, at 9 a.m.
All right. Thank you.
Be safe. All right, Mr. Berry, Mr. Bowman, let's go back on the record with Gibbons. Did you get an understanding, Mr. Berry, about Mr. Gibbons, or did you have time? Or are we just going to deal with Green and then Gibbons? This is the gentleman that wanted to adjournment he's trying to get a license today.
I spoke to a Miss Gibbons. I'm not aware of her.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Conrad Green. Let's go. It's a trial.
Yeah.
Conrad Green, right.
Your officer Murch is here. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Officer Murch, can you unmute yourself and turn your camera on, please?
Okay.
If I may, Your Honor, for the record, our offer on this ticket was to plead as charged with a delayed 3-month sentence. If Defendant Green is found guilty and or responsible, the recommendation will not be what the offer is.
All right. It'll just be $240 and it'll be a misdemeanor on your record, Mr. Green.
I understand.
All right. So are we ready to go? We're going to swear your officer in, Mr. Bowman.
Okay, let me turn and get my questions, please.
Before you all start, could I confer with Mr. Berry in breakout room?
Yeah, it's an allowing. They got to prove that he allowed somebody to drive the vehicle and that he knew that the person.
It was not related to this, but okay.
Oh, what is it related to?
I was just going to ask him a question about Mr. Gibbons so that I could seemingly explain it while you guys were in trial. I can wait.
He didn't recall anything on Mr. Gibbons.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Officer Murch, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. All right, call your first witness? I should have asked. That's going to be your witness, right, Mr. Paul?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, you can go ahead. Your officer's sworn in.
Thank you. Officer, could you please state your name for the record?
Jermaine March.
And officer, where are you employed?
Detroit Police Department.
How long have you been a officer with the Detroit Police Department?
Roughly about going on 2 years now.
2 years. And what department do you work in?
The 7th precinct.
And do you work in a specific area?
No specific area, just the 7th precinct area. That's all.
is your duties include enforcement of traffic ordinances and violations within the city of Detroit?
Yes, it does.
All right. I'm going to direct your attention to the reason that we are here today as it relates to the defendant in this case, Anthony Conrad Green. Do you have any documents with you today that may assist you in the your testimony in this case?
No, I don't. I tried pulling up the ticket, but for some reason I couldn't pull it up. So no, I don't.
Do you have any recollection of the ticket?
Not to my knowledge, no.
All right. The ticket that was written is a allowing driver with no license ticket. It is referred to as an ALDRNOLIC. Are you familiar with those designations?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what does that mean?
What is the AL?
Yeah.
Just driver with no license. Right.
Okay. And on the date in question, did your job cause you to have contact with Defendant Green?
Yes.
Okay. And can you give me the natural course of your procedures when you approach a person who is driving a vehicle after the stop?
You said what is our approach?
Yeah. When you pull somebody over?
Yeah.
What's your general policies and procedure as to your interaction with such a person?
Yeah. So we just state our name, state our department, given the reason why we pulling them over.
Okay. And as it relates to Defendant Green, did this stop happen in the city of Detroit?
Yes, it did.
Okay. And what's the reason that you stopped him based upon the ticket that was written? ALDR, no license.
I cannot remember what was the reason for it.
Do you remember whether or not he had a license?
Not to my knowledge, no.
Did you ask him for a license?
Yes.
But you don't remember whether or not he produced one?
No, I don't. If I know, we always got to ask for their license registration.
All right. Okay, so your normal course and procedure is to ask for a driver's license.
Correct.
And when you ask for a driver's license and the person does not produce the license, would a ticket be appropriate to write for a person who does not produce a driver's license when requested?
Yes.
Was based upon your knowledge and experience, was Mr. Green operating the vehicle for you to have asked him after the stop to produce a driver's license?
My knowledge, yes.
Okay. And so can we then come to the conclusion that when you asked for a driver's license, he didn't write one and you wrote him a ticket for no driver's license?
Yes.
Do you have anything else that you'd like to add, officer?
No, sir.
I have no further questions.
Are you ready to rest your case?
Yes.
So, officer, do you recall writing this ticket?
To my knowledge, no, I do not recall.
Okay. So, and neither do you recall whether the driver indeed produced a license or not.
I'm sorry, say that again.
You have no recall as to the driver either producing a license or not.
No.
Well, we're done.
All right, that's it.
Your Honor, officer, the testimony that you gave is based upon your knowledge, training, and procedure as a police officer.
Yes, it is.
And what you testified today would be the usual course of your procedure if you ask a person to produce a driver's license and a driver's license was not produced.
Yes, it is.
Okay. And when you stop a defendant such as Defendant Green, you always ask for them to produce a driver's license?
Yes, that's correct.
And he did not do so based upon the ticket?
Based upon the ticket, no.
I have no other questions.
Well.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Any motions? Anything you want me to rule?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to point out to the court that the prosecution case is closed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then I indicate to the court that there's been no identification of my client as a person who is involved in this, and we'd ask for dismissal on that basis. There's been no identification. And moreover, court has no information as to whether or not the officer neither remembers receiving a ticket or anything of the sort from whoever was driving. Right, we seek dismissal.
And your response, Mr. Bowman?
The testimony provided by this police officer is sufficient to indicate that there was a stop, there was interaction with the defendant, and the defendant did not produce a driver's license when asked. Therefore, the ticket which was written was sufficient, and the defendant is guilty of the ticket or responsible for this ticket.
All right, the court is going to find that there was no identification of Mr. Green, nor was there any recollection of Mr. Green, the ticket ever being, Mr. Green ever receiving a ticket. The officer stated in his testimony that he did not recall, and stated that more than one time, the questioning by the people was directed to almost general stops and what would be done on a general stop if the person did not have a driver's license. Furthermore, this ticket is written as allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, such that Mr. Green would have to have allowed someone to drive his vehicle, which there's been no testimony to whether this is Mr. Green's vehicle, no proof that this was Mr. Green's vehicle, and that Mr. Green knew by allowing someone to drive his vehicle that that person did not have a valid driver's license when Mr. Green allowed him to drive. So the court has heard no testimony to those, and for those reasons, I'm going to find Mr. Green not guilty. Green, have a safe, happy holiday season. Officer Murphy, you have a safe
Thank you, Your Honor.
season, and be safe out there.
Thank you, Mr. Berry. Your Honor, everyone have a happy holidays.
All right, you too. Okay, now let's go back lastly on the record with Gibbons. All right, Mr. Berry, did you indicate that you didn't have any conversation with Mr. Gibbons?
That is my indication. Yes, Your Honor, I do not.
So I guess Ms. Harris and Mr. Bowman were at sort of an impasse with this. So it was my understanding that Ms. Harris was going to let you handle the case. So go ahead.
At the suggestion of Mr. Bowman, Mr. Berry was going to be a part of discussions with Mr. Gibbons because, yeah, I don't know where we are.
So I didn't know that was I didn't know who suggested it or not. But here's the deal. Mr. Gibbons is here today as a date and time set for a trial. I have Officer Reyes and I have Officer Johnson available and present. Mr. Gibbons is present. Mr. Gibbons has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases that we call into the record. He indicated that he had an appointment set for today for the Secretary of State to get his license. The court will acknowledge that the last time he was here, we told him to pay the $336 and he potentially would be eligible for a license. On December the 11th, court has confirmed that Mr. Gibbons did pay that $336. He indicated that he set a court date for today and was going to get a license, but he had to come to court. There was an offer availed to him between 2 counts of allowance and 1 count of limited access 6 to 10. He has 2 of the cases. One is a 2017 case, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, and a 2018 case of in the park after dark, which neither of the officers appeared. They were summoned to be here, neither appeared. Those cases were stood for those cases to be dismissed based on no officer. Mr. Gibbons asked that through his counsel, could he come back at a later date for adjourned pretrial to get to have some time to go get that valid driver's license. The court told Ms. Harris at the time to speak with Mr. Bowman. And I still don't think, Mr. Bowman indicated to the court that if there is an adjourned pretrial so he can get his license, all the cases would be adjourned, and they would be not agreeing if those cases were to be dismissed. So I still haven't gotten an offer, whether it will be one or not, on the cases if he comes back, because it'll be a pretrial. He does need to get it. He should be afforded an offer on a pretrial unless we just set another trial date and have the officers back if there's an agreement on that. So that gives you the update of what transpired. If I've left anything out, then feel free, the councils can feel free to add on, or if I made a mistake or misspoke, they feel free to correct and give me their understanding.
Your Honor, if I may.
You may.
Can you advise me as to the date of the ticket, as to the in the park after dark ticket and the open alcohol passenger ticket?
Okay, the in the park after dark was written by an officer, Demario Elliott Glenn, and that ticket was written on June the 6th, 2018 at 10:30 p.m. So he just, according to Mr. Glenn and Jefferson and Burns, he just missed the cut. You were half hour too long. And then
the people will dismiss that ticket as it relates to age of the ticket.
All right. And then officer on October the 9th, 2017 at 5:12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, this officer, William B. Johnson, allegedly observed Mr. Glenn in 2003 Ford at Finline and Outer Drive, and he had alcohol that was open and being in a passenger or motor vehicle.
Your Honor, based upon that information, the people will dismiss that ticket because of the age of the ticket.
So now we're there with those two tickets. Dismiss those. Are we going to allow Mr. Gibbons to get a valid driver's license? Is there going to be an agreement on that or not?
There will be an agreement as to him having the opportunity to take further steps to get proper documentation to operate.
My last question is, do you want to set it for a trial date and have the officers come back, and just in case Mr. Gibbons does not produce that valid license, or would you like to set a pre-trial date? And I'll just make a note in the file that we reset the date for him to bring a valid license.
We will, I like that to be set as a trial date.
Trial date. Mr. Gibbons,
Okay.
trial date is going to be February 24th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Officer Reyes and Officer Johnson, they'll get their notice, but you can mark your calendars, officers, for both of those dates. And that will be for the, hopefully you get that valid license. If there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, and best of luck to you. And then Officer Reyes and Johnson, I'm sure I'll see at least one or both of you before the holidays, but if I don't, have a safe and happy holiday season and be safe out there, all right?
You as well, Your Honor. You as well, Your Honor. You and your staff both.
And Corporal Hampton was here, Mr. Berry, and Corporal Hampton did send me a note saying that he did leave a note in the chat saying where he was, because we had called you, Corporal Hampton, and we didn't see you. But I did see the note in the chat. So Corporal Hampton, you be safe out there. And I don't know if Corporal Hampton's gonna make it. He can still come back, because he might be gone to retire.
All right, Your Honor, you have a good holiday and the rest of
You have a good holiday too. I'll call you I'll call you and catch up with you.
All right, I'll see you Friday or Thursday.
Great. All right.